So we want to talk about this eyedropper tool in color selection. Let's select this rectangle. We are going to draw two rectangles, and then we'll still draw another rectangle. Like this, we'll have two rectangles. I want to change the color of this rectangle. So for instance, let's drag our image here. Let's drag it and bring it here. We'll bring it. Let's drag it and bring it here. So we want to pick our color from this picture. So if you select this eyedropper tool, select it like this, press alternate and hold, it has changed its shape. So let's say we'll come to this my hand here, and then we'll click. Once you click, it has changed to that particular color there. Let's do it again using the second rectangle. Come here, select this rectangle like this. Please select the eyedropper tool first. Once you select, click and hold alternate. Click and hold alternate. Don't pick your hand off. And then under this my trouser here, like as you are seeing here, then click on it. Not right click, just a click. You click on it, it has changed to that particular color. So that is the use of the eyedropper tool. So at any given point in time, you don't have to hesitate. If you want to just change color, just pick. It's just used to pick colors from anywhere or any angle. That is why it derives that name eyedropper tool. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.